Hello everyone, welcome back to my page, Forest Monologue and Lifestyle. Okay guys, on this day I went out with my friend Tracy. So we went to meet this particular agent that helps graduates to look for job here in Plateau State, Jos. So this is us going on our way. I think we left Rukuba, Angwan Rukuba, and we're heading to British. I think from British, then we'll take another taxi that will take us to the office. This is us in the taxi, guys. I was tired. See me now. I was looking like, when are we going to move this bus? When is this bus going to move? But now as your girl day now, we didn't manage. That's why I was like, oh, let's wait. I cannot take a drop. Let's manage this one and wait. See Tracy over there, and we're just there waiting for the bus to move so we can get to the place on time because it's almost late though. So finally, we got to the place, and this is me. And we were like, oh God, are they around? And yeah, we noticed that the door was open. So we entered and we went inside. We met, I think all the staffs were not around. I don't know, maybe they were having meeting or so. And we met some ladies, women rather. They were seated and I think they were waiting for something as well. But we came for something else. So we came for a job. We came for them to help us get a job. And the other women, I don't know what they came for. So we sat down. There's nobody to ask any question. And we're just there waiting. The seats were empty. So finally, someone came to give us an update that before we can start the registration, we need a referee, guys. When that statement came up, I was like, oh my God. After all the transport, all the journey I've made, I can't go home empty. I can't go home without doing something. So I stood up and I asked the lady that, okay, is it possible for me to get the referee's details, like the ID card and whatever. They were like, okay, I should try and get the ID card. So I was like, okay, since I've not printed it out, let me go look for a cyber cafe and do that. So this is me going out to look for a cyber cafe around the vicinity, which was a very, very far place. So I asked and they gave me the location where to get to cyber cafe so I can print the ID card. So even at that, I was still having doubts because I begged them that what if I can get the referee's details, but they're still saying no. But I was just like, let me try my luck. Let me just try my luck and see if it will work, because I can't spend that big transport all the way from where I'm staying down to this place and going back home empty. How about now? Let me just do something at least. So this is me walking down to the place where I can print out the stuff, the ID card. Guys, I came back with the ID card though. To cut a long story short, and when I showed them the ID card, they were like, we can't accept this person as your referee. I said, why? They said, because he is a military personnel. They don't want a military personnel, that I need to change it. Guys, I was not begging them that I can't go back home because I was planning to travel the next day. So they're like, I need it too. I was like, okay, fine, let me go, and maybe next week I'll come back with my referee, another one, so that will stand for me. And this is me, guys. I'm going home without doing anything that day. But I paid for the registration fee, and the registration fee is just 2,000 naira. So thank you for watching.